Hi, I'm Danny Weld with ShopSabre CNC, and today I want to show you something that very few customers ever get to see, and something even fewer manufacturers can demonstrate. In fact, it's one of the biggest things that separates a ShopSabre from its competition. If you've ever spent time researching our equipment, you've probably heard us describe our machines as machine tool grade. That's not just a marketing slogan, it's a statement about how we build our machines, and it all starts with the foundation. As you already know, every ShopSabre begins with a heavy structural steel frame, but what happens after the fabrication is where the process truly separates itself. Once each frame is welded, it's moved into our in-house 5-axis aerospace milling center. This machine is so large, we actually had to customize part of our building around it. Why? Because bringing this level of manufacturing in-house gives us complete control over quality and allows us to build a better machine for our customers. What makes the milling center unique is the ability to machine even the largest frames in a single setup. The spindle can reach every critical surface without removing or repositioning the frame. That may sound like a small detail, but it's one of the most important parts of the entire manufacturing process. Here's why. Every precision component on a CNC machine references the frame. Your linear guide rails, your ball screw mounting surfaces, your bearing location, everything depends on the accuracy of the frame beneath it. If those mounting surfaces aren't machined with precision, the performance of every component attached to them is compromised. That's why we machine every critical mounting surface, not just for flatness, but for exact location. In the same setup, the machine drills, taps, and countersinks every mounting hole for the guide rail system for precision components. Because every operation references the same fixture, every surface is machined from the same single datum. The result is exceptional repeatability, tighter tolerances, and greater long-term accuracy. These may seem like small manufacturing details, but they're exactly the kind of details that determines whether a machine performs like an industrial CNC or simply looks like one. Automation also removes much of the human variation from the assembly process, because let's face it, automation is repeatable. It reduces the possibility of measurement errors, misalignment, or inconsistencies during assembly, ensuring that every ShopSabre is built to the same engineering standards regardless of who assembles it. That's what consistency looks like. Many manufacturers advertise industrial-grade construction while buying inferior products. This is because very few actually machine the frames to this level of precision. And when manufacturing is outsourced, so is much of the quality control. At ShopSabre, we control that process ourselves. Machine tool-grade frames are manufactured, inspected, and machined to our engineering specification before it ever moves to assembly. The final operation on the milling center is also the most critical. It's the finishing pass. This final cut establishes precision that ultimately defines the machine's geometry and long-term performance. Most customers never get to see this process, and because they don't see it, it's easy to assume that every manufacturer builds their machines the same way. The reality is, most don't. That's one of the reasons ShopSabre machines consistently outperform similarly priced competitors. So when you're comparing CNC machines, it's easy to be focused on horsepower, spindle speed, specification, or price. Those things matter, but they only perform as well as the foundation they're built upon. If the frame isn't manufactured with precision, the components mounted to it can never perform to their full potential. That's why we've invested in manufacturing our equipment in-house using our aerospace 5-axis ball screw-driven milling center. It's why we take the extra time to machine every critical surface instead of simply fabricating and assembling. And this is why ShopSabre machines deliver a level of precision, consistency, and performance that are typically found on machines costing significantly more. This is what machine tool grade CNC really means.